karibu sana to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jambin Jorvoke. Welcome to my little space. So today I just wanted to show you this simple cute glam. So yeah, if you like it, then keep on watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to it.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing my brows. I am using my Davis eye pencil in the shade number 8, and I usually just kind of trace an outward line on the lower side, and then I also do like another one on the upper side. Wait, I'll show you once I get there. And then I use very light strokes, like very light strokes. So yeah, that is what we are doing. We're just going to do like a very minimal kind of eyebrow look. Then I'm just brushing that outwards, so I just follow the shape of my natural brows. Yeah, and I'm using a spoolie to do this. Next, I'm going to grab some concealer. This is my Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to use that on to clean the lower side of my eyebrows. So I went ahead and just cleaned the lower side. You need very minimal I wanted to say foundation, concealer for this. I just like to use very minimal, especially when I'm doing like a clean kind of look. So I'm just going to go ahead and stretch that to my eyelid, and this will act as a primer for my eyeshadow. I go ahead and I just do this on both ends. The way I'm tracing like that is just to kind of help me make sure that they are both on a straight line. None is higher than the other. Next, I'm going to grab my primer. This is my Illegal primer. Absolutely love it, very affordable, and I'm just going to use my hands to just apply this. You can use a brush if you want to. Next, I'm going to grab my color corrector and my Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to apply it over that area. And then now I'm going in with the color corrector. Now typically I mix the two together and then I apply it, but I don't know, whichever way, you can use whichever way. So I'm just going to go ahead and just blend that out. I mix the two of them just so that the color corrector isn't way too harsh, and then I set it with a bit of powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and start highlighting my face. I'm using my Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to do this, and I'm going to highlight there, down the bridge of my nose, over there, and on my chin. And then I'm also going to highlight under my eyes. So I'm just using a brush to blend this out. I typically use a brush, and then later on I'll switch to a sponge just to make sure that it's blended completely. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my contour. So I do my contour on my cheekbones and on the sides of my chin right there, and then I also contour my forehead a little bit, just because, you know, that forehead it does not play. Okay, so yeah, I also contour down the bridge of my nose. I do that on both sides, and then once I'm done, I'm going to grab a sponge and I'm going to start blending everything in. It's always important to just take your time while doing this. That's like the major thing that I have learned. Like, if you want to have like a very flawless kind of makeup look, the key is to not use too much product and also just take your time blending. Actually, the key is to take your time blending. That is where all the secrets are. Next, I'm going to grab my palette and I'm going to use that for a blush. As you probably know, if you're not new here, I have never bought blush in my life. I typically just use my palette. It does the same thing. I've never thought of buying blush. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just apply that blush over there. So this is the Mary Phillips technique, where you do your contour, your highlight, and your blush, and then once you're done, now we are going to do the foundation on top. I really like this look. It gives you like a clean makeup look, so that's what we're doing. This is my foundation. It is in the shade 365. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Warm Coconut, and I'm just going to apply that on top. And do you see how flawless it is? I absolutely love my Fit Me. It's one of my favorite makeup products ever. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just apply that, and it gives me like a really nice flawless base. And then I'm going to go ahead and just set everything with some powder. I am using loose powder. Yeah, that's what we are using today. I'm not using pressed powder, because I want this to be a very like effortless look. I want it to look like I don't have makeup on, so that's what we are going for. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm just going to line my lips. I'm using the eye pencil I was using for my eyeshadow. This is my Davis eye pencil in the shade number 8. So I grabbed my palette. This is my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to use that brown shade over there. It's more, I don't know, it's like a mixture of brown and maroon. I can't say it's entirely brown, I can't say it's entirely maroon. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that, and then I'll do a shimmer on top. Again, I was going for like a very kind of minimal eye look. I didn't want it to pop as much, but as much as I try to resist the shimmer always just comes to me. There's really nothing I can do about that. Like, I always have to put a shimmer. I love shimmers. Okay, next we're just going to go ahead and just wipe off any excess powder that I have on my face, and then I'm going to set everything with some setting spray. And this is me just kind of fanning it out just to make sure that it dries. And here is our final look. How flawless is this? How clean is this? You wouldn't even tell that I was wearing any foundation. In fact, I'm wearing foundation, concealer, and contour, but you'd honestly never tell. Yeah, I think it turned out super cute. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.